I think the biggest issue with your game isn't so much that you want to make FiveM style game, it's that we have been down this road, and I speak from direct experience. Police 1013 came after me. Okay. You need to show you're not like Police 13. Tell me, how do I need to show you to prove to you that I'm not an inexperienced developer? I might be somewhat inexperienced in Unreal Engine currently, but I've been programming for 15 years, bro. I know how these games work. I just might not know exactly how to do it in Unreal Engine until I learn it. But I was attacked years ago by Matt Normal from Police 1013, and the scars from that, since he's also Australian, are kind of bringing back the same memories. Does that make sense? Okay. Your game unfortunately may always be compared to Police 1013. Well, okay. Because of the fact you're both around the same geographic area. Bro, I don't care, bro. I honestly, I have developed the art of not giving a complete fuck what anyone thinks, brother. Alright? If you actually know who I am and where I come from, I'm actually an OG SAMP developer. I've developed multiple game modes over multiple years, and released multiple release multiple scripts as well. I've been doing this for 15 years, and guess what? I'm able to do the exact same logic from San Andreas Multiplayer and FiveM in Unreal Engine, because guess what? Programming is done the same way. So that's pretty much all. I don't really care what anyone thinks. People can compare me to 1013, and actually, you know what? I actually hope people compare me to 1013. I hope people actually start thinking I'm an asset flip. I hope people come here and realize that I'm actually transparent. I hope that I can actually flip the whole asset flip niche on its fucking head and actually create a police RPG that actually works, because that's the reason why this project exists right now, is because I'm sick of these asset flips. I'm sick of Police 1013. I'm sick of all these other fucking police games by inexperienced developers, that get millions of funding, hundreds of thousands of funding for a game that doesn't even work or never comes into existence. That's why these projects exist. It's a community-driven project, and that's why we're doing it, because we're going to actually create this fucking police game that these dickheads can't fucking create. So I actually do not care what anyone thinks, and it's not an insult to me, you know what I mean? But I want to see a successful project. Well, stay tuned, brother. You're going to see a successful project. I don't care what Matt Norman, fucking Dick Smith, fucking Police 10. I couldn't give a fuck what anyone thinks about me or this project. You can just fucking wait and see what happens. That's all that fucking matters. Because I can guarantee you now, if the game doesn't work, I'm not going to fucking release it. And if I get to a point where all I have is a fucking a character prototype, that I'm going to be happy. You know what I mean? Because then what we're trying to do is find the right team, the right person that wants to come in and has the experience, the decade of experience in level design to be able to create our level. As you can, but right now I'm a programmer. I'm not a 3D level artist. I've got a couple of 3D modelers, 3D artists that are creating models that I need. I've got an animator that's creating animations. Right now we just don't have the teamwork or even the time to be able to create the final, or the expertise to be able to create the final game. But that's pretty much where we are. So I really don't care what anyone thinks about that. I really hope that I blow up under the asset flip niche, because I'm going to flip it right on its head. But anyway, guys, that's probably where we are for this live stream. Shout out to the 0, or the 1 watching, which is me on Twitch, and the 5 watching on YouTube.